Hello everybody and welcome back to another video here on the Long Gone channel, and today we are playing Superflash, where you are like a super fast dude and you get to like stop scary things. Push. Wait, look at that. See? I'm so good at this game. Is that it? Okay, I guess that's it. Next level. Okay. This might be a short... Oh my goodness. Push. 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 Oh, look at that! I saved them all. I guess that's the game. It's probably gonna get harder for the other levels. Wait, so I have to avoid the gunshots. Oh, look at that! Wait, so they're all trying to... Oh, okay, they were trying to shoot at me. My question is, what stops them from just shooting him again? Because there's probably more than one bullet. Alright, so that was level 4 has bombs on it, so let's see what level 4 is about. Oh, okay. Push, 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 push. I'm so good at this game. Holy moly. If I step on a bomb, what happens? Okay, I guess nothing. It's kind of buggy, a little bit. Alright, level 5. This one has a train, so let's see what this is about. Oh my goodness. Push. 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 Oh yeah! Easy peasy lemon squeezy, even though he was about to get hit by the tree. Now he beat up these guys. Yeah, take that. Stupid idiot noob. Alright, and on to level 6. Let's see what... Oh my god. Okay. Push. 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 Come this way. Uh-oh. I think we didn't win this one. Maybe we did? Oh my god! We did it! I'm so good at this game. Is that it? Secret level maybe? No? So then I kill him, right? 5, 6? Alright, 6, 7? No, 6, 7. And that is the end of the video, short video, because I'm kind of sick right now. I didn't want to do anything lengthy. So that is Superflash. It was a decent game, took like 5 minutes to beat. I cut out the parts where I failed, so yay, yay. Make sure to like and subscribe, blah blah blah. I'll see you guys in the next video!